Ka Shillong All Faight Forum, kabadai ka khynhun jong nongialam niam hapoh ka Jylla, sa shisien pat Mynta Sngi, kila yok banyak kendu lang hadien bana ka liang jong kila de banyak kendu ya Chief Secretary ka Jylla, kum shi bynta ban pynneh ya ka jingsuk hapoh ka Jylla. Kum ban kynmaw, hakita yo baladep, kala don ka jing pynkhih jingmut daki khynhun, jong ki riewshitniam Hindu, na ka Jylla Asaam, da ka babam syak banwa ya ki dur mod dur jisu, haki skul. Nakaliang ka Saff, kalapan pau ka jing sngewkhia, halor ka bynta, bat ka jing ya kendu jong ki ya Chief Secretary ka Jylla, kadai ban kentu badan kam ban shimkhia, kum ya ki mat, bat kular ban shimkhia, ban Nym Ailad bakin Mih Kino Kino ki Huri Hura Hapoh ka Jylla.
Nakaliang jong ka Saff ni kumba yung bishop ni kalpat ya ki nong Shillong jong ka Jylla kamtam ni nong Shillong jong ka Shillong banong ki banjay namal ba i ba kini ni ki kandiat si kini taiew wala dem but kandiat si lo binang don ki jingjia ki ba jingjia ki ba ya banong jingjia ki ba sosi ki ban ra ya ka jingma ya kinong Shillong jong ka Jylla ba ya ka Shillong City barokoy. Hoy ni sutu ba gini jingjia katarai dong gini jingjia gede kidon kidon gidaw jong jing kajia. Nakaliang jong Saff yim dane ban kran halor kene nama kene gede. Pioli gede kam bayde bat ke sarkar bat ki stakeholder ki ba yadon betama kene kam. Naliang jong Saff ni kerpat ya ke sarkar barok ki stakeholder ki baya dei kam ni benta bakin ya kendo ban keren ban ya result ya keno ke isu ke ba nang ba ka Jylla ba Shillong City jong ini jadi obyang ya kata kadang genam bolong ka ri jong ka suk kasai ka ba kita beri prepare ki yang belum lang we ki we kumba ka Saff ki yang ong konorem ba ni kumba Saff ni kwa ya ka jingsuk tumi kerpat ya shisien ni kerpat ya parok ki badan benta kini kam ki ba they ban resolve ya keno issue ba kin long sim serious ya katam ban chudrak ya kini issue kanang ba nyin light na kini ki jingjia ki basusi
kum ki nongialam niam ki prepare as faith leaders in Shillong. This is what I would like to appeal to all of you and to all citizens. Let us maintain, let us strive for peace and harmony. By doing so, we honor and respect our Creator, because it is He who has made all of us, irrespective of our faith system, of our culture, of our community, of anything. The diversities, the differences that we have are all His gifts to humankind. Tiki parano sistang borok kene galong kejing khot kejong ina galiang ka Saff bakum ki nongialam ki niam ki prepare tagabangi ya imlang tagabangi ya don kejing sung tho jingmut ni tei ya jingsuk ya kejing terli ni ai ke buram ke jing ro yu play lamar ni baro ni dei ki jing thao ke jong ko mi jing thao ke jong play ku kwa yingi bangen ya buram i bei bangen ya liang i bei ni emlang kum ki jaj ben riu apa deng ki jing fair ki babon kene gelong jing ina kata Shillong tagi jing dia ki ba mentala wat agini men ne ga singi men ne singi so tagi jing dia ki ba Sharif Hoy, Keleng, Kini Borok Kilom, he jing Persiang one, and Thut Yak Imlang Salang Jami. Man pen shit Ikibrio, man pen song top or like Ikibrio. Then appeal ni Yaki non sex number, Nym Long Kib Husian, ba don't come one. Ngej big tenet, we don't come one page long Kib a page or. But when long ki bahusiar holiday, yat ke yang jongi ka tien ka kli jongi, but kumnong ni dei ban ile shtam ka pengila ban pynneh ya ka jing jingsuk ya ka jing long ka wei hagni ka Jylla Kynduh. So this is our appeal to all residents of the state. Let us do our best to maintain peace and harmony. In spite of the news that we hear, even till yesterday, these days, what is happening now in Riewshitniam, it has happened in Shillong. In spite of all this, we take it as our responsibility, responsible residents, citizens of the state, to maintain peace and harmony in our state. And we continue to work with the government. We continue to appeal to the government to do its part. Do the investigation honestly, transparently, and fairly. When government is doing its part, this will create a confidence in the minds and hearts of each and every.
Thank you, Bishop, and very good evening to all of you. Subsequent to our last meeting where many of you attended here, we decided to meet our Chief Secretary pertaining to the issues which our people were facing in the border areas with Asaam, including in Bongaigaon, the incident. So we apprised the Chief Secretary that we are very much concerned, and we also want that peace should prevail, not only within our state, but also in the border areas, and particularly the amity and brotherhood and harmony among the people of the two states, and that our people are not harassed or instigated. So the Chief Secretary informed that he is almost on a regular contact with the Chief Secretary of Asaam, virtually on a day-to-day basis to monitor the situation in those areas, and particularly our people of not being intimidated or in any manner harassed in the state of Asaam. So, and he assured us that in case of anything arising, he will get in touch with us, but his lines of communication with the government of Asaam is open, and I'm sure that even as I speak now, he is in touch with his counterpart in Asaam.